Hello everyone, my name is Chavan Snehal and my today's topic is digestive system. Digestive system, it is the system in our body which is responsible for the process of digestion. Now what is digestion? Digestion, it is the process of converting the large molecules into small molecules. That is, the molecules which are in the insoluble form are converted into the soluble form so that these molecules can be absorbed by the body and utilized. Now the digestive system, it consists of two parts. First is alimentary canal and second is accessory glands. The alimentary canal, it consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Whereas the accessory glands, they consist of pancreas, gallbladder and liver. Now let us understand the individual functions. Starting from the mouth, in the mouth, the mechanical and chemical both type of digestion occurs. Mechanical digestion, that is the teeth, they are responsible for grinding the food, and the salivary amylase, which is an enzyme, is responsible for the chemical digestion. In the mouth, there is the presence of salivary glands which produce saliva, and this saliva, it mixes with the food and moistens it. Then the food, when it is in the mouth, it is called as bolus. Then via esophagus, via pharynx, esophagus, it goes to the stomach. Okay. Now pharynx. Pharynx, it is the common passage for food and air. Okay. So the food, it should not enter into the trachea. Hence there is a presence of epiglottis. Epiglottis, it is a flap-like structure which prevents the entry of food into the trachea. Then the food, it comes from the pharynx and goes into the esophagus. In the esophagus, there are mucus secreting cells which keeps the food which keeps the lining moistened. Okay, and it prevents the friction. Okay, and then by esophagus, the food, it comes into the stomach. Esophagus is nothing but the tube-like structure which connects mouth to the stomach. Stomach, it is a J-shaped organ which temporarily stores food. Also the digestion occurs there. Okay. Now in the stomach, there are cells which secrete the gastric juice. This gastric juice, it contains hydrochloric acid, enzymes, salts and water. Okay. Now this hydrochloric acid, it maintains the pH of the stomach to 2. Okay, since the pH of the stomach is low, whatever the conditions are there, they are acidic, and hence whatever bacteria, microorganisms are present in the food, they are killed in the stomach, and thus the digestion there occurs. Also the pepsin enzyme, it is present in the stomach, which is responsible for the digestion of protein. Now the pH of the stomach is 2, so whatever other organs are there, they should not get damaged. Whatever the cells or tissues are there which are surrounding the stomach, they should not get affected. Hence there are various layers present on the stomach. There are mucus secreting cells which secrete mucus, and they prevent the side effects of the pH, that is acidic condition in the stomach. Then from the stomach, the food, it enters into the small intestine. The small intestine, it is divided into 3 parts. It is ileum, jejunum and duodenum. Okay, so duodenum, jejunum and ileum. This is the sequence of the parts in which the small intestine is divided. Then in the small intestine, whatever other juices are there, they are released and the digestion of food occurs. In the small intestine, there is the presence of small villi. These villi, they are the finger-like projections which absorb the nutrients from the food. Then these absorbed nutrients via blood, they are transported to all the other body tissues. Okay. Then in the small intestine, the absorption and digestion of food occurs. Then after small intestine, the food, it comes to the large intestine. In the large intestine, whatever the water or electrolyte, that is salts, are present, they are absorbed, and then the food, it is further passed to the anus. That is the undigested food, it is passed through the anus out of the body, and whatever the nutrients or salts, whatever, they are completely absorbed and they are sent to the body tissues via blood. Now in this way the digestive system works. Now what are accessory glands are there, that is liver, pancreas and gallbladder. Their function is to secrete juices. Liver, it secretes bile juice which is temporarily stored in the gallbladder, and then whenever required, it is it is released in the small intestine for the process of digestion. Bile, it contains various enzymes like lipase enzyme is there and protease enzyme is there. Okay, and then is the pancreas. Pancreas, they secrete pancreatic juice via duct in the small intestine. This pancreatic juice, it contains pancreatic amylase, and this amylase is responsible for the digestion of carbohydrates. So in this way, the pancreatic juice also aids in the process of digestion. So whatever this other accessory glands are there, they all play major role in the process of digestion. So this is all about the process of digestion and our digestive system. So thank you so much.